Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn something beautiful and simple. We are going to discover the meaning of the word accept. So, what does accept mean? It's really simple. To accept means to say yes. It means you agree to something. When you accept, you welcome it into your life. Let me give you an example. Imagine your friend gives you a gift. You smile and say, "Thank you." You accept the gift. It feels good, doesn't it? Here's another one. Someone invites you to a party. You're excited. You say, "Yes, I'll come." You accept the invitation. Now you have something fun to look forward to. And one more. You've been looking for work, and finally, someone offers you a job. You are so happy. You accept the job. A new chapter begins. There are other words that mean the same thing. You can say, agree, say yes, take, receive, or welcome. They all carry the same beautiful meaning. Now, what's the opposite of accept? It's reject. When you reject something, you say no. You don't agree. Accept brings things closer. Reject pushes them away. Why is it good to accept? Well, accepting helps you make friends. It shows kindness and creates happiness. It opens new chances and opportunities in your life. So how do you accept? First, listen carefully. Then, think about whether you want to say yes. If you do, simply say, "Yes, I accept." And don't forget to smile and be happy. Remember, accepting is easy. Accept means say yes. Use it with gifts, jobs, and ideas. It helps you and others. Always accept with a smile. Thank you so much for learning with us today. Now, go out there and try to accept more today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you next time.